San Juan. Now we normally always dock over there, but obviously they're working on that dock. Oh, San Juan. There's your fort. The other fort's behind that building right there. You can see just a corner of it. Ducky. Already cleaned the room and everything. Wow. We have awnings. We have awnings. And they don't. No awnings. Like I said, we've never docked at this dock before.
Or no, are we down from? No, usually the CVS is down. Yeah, usually we're...
Babe, where are we going?
We're going where the original Pina Colada was...
Baracchini.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's where the original Pina Colada was invented.
So, we got to walk through Old San Juan.
We've been there once before.
Yeah, we've been up there. And trust me, the streets are not flat here.
Yeah.
They're hilly.
So,
hey, we'll bring that to you.
They're as good as we remember.
All right. Bye. After the third one, they're all good.
Yeah.
You know, like she did yesterday. She was only going to have one.
And I had two.
She had two.
No biggie.
700 feet. The destination is on your left. In 700 feet, the destination is on your left. Barachina.
So we came to Baracchini, fixing that we would sit at the bar and have a couple of pina coladas, and they said everything's to go. But there's plenty of tables. Don't get it. This is the line.
Hi, good morning. I'm here with some fans of our channel, and we're here to get the best pina colada ever. And I'm here with Diane. And they're on the Vista cruise with us. And what's your favorite channel? Rosie! Yeah!
Here we are with Jim.
Angie.
Little Jimmy. Little Jimmy, I like to call him. They're our table mates. And we are here at Baracchini, where the original Pina Colada was made. But it's like the first Church of God. Which one really was? Anyway, so we're here with them. They're on the Vista with us. And what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party of Two Cruising.
Angie don't know. Angie's had like 9 drinks already. No, I'm just kidding.
One tonight.
All right, we'll see you tonight at dinner.
PMS.
All right, so here's the Drunken Cookie store.
We've heard about it.
Or cookie shots.
The other day,
Oh boy.
it's right here.
Such bad influences. It says get chip-faced here at the Drunken Cookies in Puerto Rico. The box. Terry's gonna open it.
Right between his feet.
Big reveal. one chocolate chip cookie and one shot. Right, there's the cookie. Now Terry's going to inject it.
No, first I'm going to taste it. First I'm going to taste it without the liquor, and then I'm going to taste it with it. Now Pat's going to put the liquor in. We've tasted it without the liquor, and it's very rich, but it is definitely delicious. Definitely.
They don't make it easy to get in. Hold on.
Yummy, yummy. He's having trouble. It's coming out. Just do it from there if you want.
I think you're-
Okay. Just poke it right in the middle. Squeeze it. In the middle. Don't go all the way through. There you go. We got actually chocolate martini liquor, so it's probably not real strong. At least we hope not.
I get you. That's all I want. I don't want it on my side. So when you put the alcohol in the cookie, it really doesn't change the flavor of it.
The cookie's so overwhelming that it's...
Sugar's overwhelming.
Got your adventure of the seas. They got a sea day, and then they'll be back in Nassau. And they left they're on an 8-day as well. Here I am sitting out here with my baby. There she is over there playing on her phone as always. Doesn't get much better than this right here. Just sitting out on your balcony watching the ocean go by. Nothing better. night, babe, we decided to skip dinner. I'm going to bring you the menu.
He wasn't feeling real well. The menu wasn't good, and we ate a late lunch. So we decided not to go to dinner tonight, which is very unusual for us. So now we're going to an early comedy show. We'll let you know how it is.
It's a 5:45 comedy show on deck 5, baby.
We'll let you know.
All right, so we'll bring it to you there shortly. Hey, babe, where are we going?
We're at Family Feud, and it's going to be fun.
It's the first show. The second show, we know the captain. He's in the second show.
It's going to be great. All right, I'll show you.
We'll see you then.
But tonight we got a lot going on. But first of all, thank you, Ray, for giving us a big welcome. A big round of applause for Miss Ray. Woo! Tonight we are going to be having some fun going head to head with our amazing families. Now, as Ray had a chance to give us that reminder, please remember that there's no photography.
Oh, God. Don't you start singing. Oh, gosh.
Hey, Patrick.
There's my boy.
Only one per night, okay?
Yep, that's it,
Only
buddy.
one per night. If so, everybody completely with the guy completely.
All right. We've done 2 family feuds. We met the couple that's in the second one, the captain, as you saw.
They were hilarious.
We can't videotape it because we're not allowed.
Yeah, but they were hilarious, and so now we're getting ready to do our chocolate martini because how is going night-night. Patrick's going to the casino, and I wish him lots and lots of luck.
Yeah,
But
because I was like down and out last
he
night.
wasn't feeling good yesterday.
Wasn't feeling good yesterday, so how are you drinking it?
So yesterday we didn't get a chocolate martini.
No, we
It
didn't.
was too sick.
I was feeling really bad.
They're so good.
So they are good, and that's why we drink them because
They're so
they're
good.
so good. Oh, you shouldn't be drinking after me.
We'll see you in the morning. Good night.
All right, so tomorrow, Amber Cove again. Probably gonna stay on the ship. Probably gonna stay on the ship and just hang out by the tides pool.
After we go walking.
And
Yes, we'll see you in the morning.
all right,
Good night.
see you there.
Good night.
14 days is a long time. Say good night, babe.
Bye.
Good night. See you in the morning. Amber Cove, Dominican Republic.